Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This lesson will help you to get to know each other. These are the commonly asked questions with the possible answers you should learn. So, while you are reading the questions, try to give your own answer to each question.
Getting to know people. Where were you born? What do you do? Are you married? Why are you learning English? When did you start learning English? How often do you have English classes?
Alright, now let's see the sample answers to the questions. Please repeat after us. Where were you born?
I was born in Scotland.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Why are you learning English?
Because I need it for my job.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
How often do you have English classes?
Twice a week.
Now let's get to know Anton Christoph. Please stop the video and fill the gaps with the correct tense of the verbs. Alright, let's read the text and compare your answers.
Anton Christoph from Toronto, Canada. Hi, I'm Anton. I come from Canada, but at the moment I'm living here in New York. I'm working as a bike messenger. I really like New York. It's the center of the universe and it's very cosmopolitan. I have friends from all over the world. I earn about $100 a day in this job. That's good money. I'm saving money for my education.
As it's clear, we use present continuous for the current and temporary actions, but the simple present for the general facts. Okay, it's time to learn some social expressions you can use in daily conversations. Hi, how do you do?
I'm pretty good. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
I hope you enjoyed and learned. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Do more practice and leave your examples in the comments.
Bye bye.